In this session, we are going to discuss about Mendeley software for citation and reference management. Therefore, the first step is to install the Mendeley desktop and Mendeley Word plugin. From here, you can download and install Mendeley desktop. Once you install, it will look like this. This would be the interface of Mendeley desktop. And once you install for plugin, this is how it's going to look like here. You can see under the references tab, you get Mendeley's site. Okay, so let's say I have prepared a quick exercise. Let's say I'm preparing an article with this particular topic and I have written abstract, subsequently the introduction part. And I want to cite certain references in introduction section with the help of Mendeley. So in that particular case, what I will do, let's say I have to cite these 6 references first. So what I will do is I am going to create one particular folder, put all the reference papers here, just the PDF. And for a simplicity, I have given the numbers such as 1, 2, 3, so on up to 6. Once you have done that, you have to go to Mendeley desktop interface, and then here you can click on import files from your computer. Select those 6 files which you want to cite and open them here. So this is how it would look like. These are the 6 files which are added here. Once you do that, your Mendeley desktop interface is ready, and then you can start writing your document along with the citations. So how we do this? So for an example, let's say when writing the document, I came across these 2 citations which I want to cite. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to Mendeley site. At the right hand side, it will open this particular interface, and it is fetching all the document, all the citations, all the research papers what we placed on here on this particular platform, right? So now let's say I want to cite these 2 papers. Okay, so what I can do is I know what are they, and then I can click on this, let's say wireless security challenges and so on. This is the first paper I wanted to cite, so I can click on this. And then the second paper is a big data enabled channel model that I wanted to cite, so I can click on this too. So I have clicked on this too, and then after that I can click on insert 2 citations, right? Insert 2 citations. So you can see that both the citations are cited here automatically, and this was for my reference, so I will delete them now that I wanted to cite 2 papers, so I can delete them here. So now you can see it has automatically cited my references. So now let's say you want to go forward and cite reference number 3 and 4. So what I'll do here is let's cite reference number 3 and 4, and then just say insert the citations, and then you can see it is citing everything, right? And then similarly, let's say reference number 5 you wanted to cite, so you can say just reference 5th. You can pick up whichever reference you wanted to cite here. Okay, you can pick up whichever reference you wanted to cite here because you are aware which you are citing. So now let's say just cite any of this and then insert the citation. So it is automatically citing my reference here. And after doing this, that was the last one. Here is cite 6. So let's say I am inserting one more. You can pick up any of them. You can recite also. Let's say if I wanted to recite this blockchain paper again, I can recite that here too. Okay, and put it in. So now you can see I have cited all the references using a Mendeley software automatically. So you look at this, I'm just marking them in a red color so you can see them easily. You can see them easily. This was the first cite with both the papers. You can see them. Right. Similarly, you can see this is my second occurrence of citations. Then this was the One more, there was one more here. You can see that one also is cited. Now, similarly, you can keep citing this for n number of research papers across the entire document.